What if I told you that people are making over $30,000 a month just by creating simple videos like this with AI? No face on camera, no expensive equipment, just pure AI magic. And today I'm going to show you exactly how they're doing it step by step. Anyone can make these, including you. First thing, you need Kling AI. It's free to start, and this is where we create our base image. The prompt is everything here, so type exactly as I say. First person view of a motorcyclist crossing a narrow wooden bridge with a waterfall cascading in the background, handlebars and speedometer visible in frame, creating intense sense of speed and motion. Here's why this works. First person view makes viewers feel like they're riding the bike. Handlebars and speedometer visible adds that authentic point of view element. Finally, the waterfall gives us that jaw-dropping backdrop that stops people mid-scroll. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical format and hit generate. You'll get 4 variations. Pick the one with the clearest handlebars and best composition. Sometimes Kling AI nails the perfect shot but throws in a random motorcycle parked on your bridge or some tourist photobombing your epic scene. Don't panic and don't regenerate the whole thing. Kling AI has a remove tool that's basically a magic eraser for unwanted stuff. It'll cost you 4 credits, cheaper than a gas station coffee. Just select the remove tool, paint over whatever's cramping your style, and let the AI work its magic. In about 30 seconds, you'll have a flawless image ready to animate. Now here's the hack most people miss. You can generate infinite variations using ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and paste this. Generate 10 variations of this prompt for different extreme motorcycle scenarios. Paste your original prompt. Keep the first-person POV and handlebars visible, but change the environment to different extreme locations like neon tunnels, desert highways, mountain passes, city rooftops. ChatGPT will give you prompts for completely different scenarios. Copy one, go back to Kling AI, generate another image. Now you've got content for weeks instead of just one video. I'ma show you what happens when I use one of these variations. Boom, completely different vibe, same viral potential. Alright, static images are cool and all, but here's where things get exciting. Back to Kling AI, click AI video, then select frames. Upload your image, and here's your video prompt. A quick motorcycle ride towards the waterfall. The motorcycle turns left as it approaches the waterfall and continues down the winding hill road. Always keep the bridge or road path visible ahead. For the negative prompt box, I add blurry, distorted motorcycle riding on water. That last part is crucial. AI sometimes gets creative, but we want realistic movement only. Select model 1.6, set duration to 10 seconds, generate and wait about 2 minutes. The result? Smooth cinematic movement that looks like expensive drone footage. But 10 seconds isn't enough for viral content, so of course, we extend it. Here's how we extend it seamlessly. Go to a video extractor website, upload your generated video, scroll all the way to the end, and click extract. This gives you the exact final frame. Download that frame, go back to Kling AI, upload it as your new starting image. Your continuation prompt: motorcycle continues driving down the mountain road, approaching a dark tunnel entrance ahead. Now you've got 20 seconds of seamless footage. If you want, you can repeat this process 1 to 2 more times with different continuation prompts like emerging from tunnel into bright desert landscape or racing along coastal highway with ocean views. Each segment flows perfectly into the next because you're using the exact ending frame as the next starting point. Following this method, your viewers will enjoy one continuous ride. Import everything into CapCut. Set aspect ratio to 9:16. At this step, your attention to detail will separate viral videos from ignored ones. First, color grading. Go to Adjustments. Bump saturation up by 15 to 20%. Increase contrast slightly. Add a touch more clarity. These videos should pop off the screen, not look flat and boring. We want that "holy crap, is this real?" reaction, not "meh, looks like my cousin's vacation footage." Now here's the make or break moment. Audio. Great visuals get people to stop scrolling, but immersive audio keeps them watching till the end. Go to Pixabay, search motorcycle engine idle. Download a deep rumbling engine sound, then search motorcycle acceleration for when your bike speeds up in the video. But here's what most creators forgot: environmental audio layers. For waterfall scenes, grab waterfall sounds. Layer these in CapCut. Start with your base engine sound covering the entire video. Add acceleration sounds time to match visual speed changes. Layer environmental sounds at about 30% volume so they're present but not overpowering. Finally, export at 1080p, 30 FPS minimum. You might want to upload to TikTok first since it has the best algorithm for new creators, then repurpose for YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. Once you've got your viral videos, here's where the cash register starts singing. Platform payments are just the appetizer. TikTok's creator rewards program, YouTube Shorts, Instagram bonuses are nice, but they won't buy you a Harley. The real money? Brand partnerships. Adventure gear companies drop $500 to $2,000 per million views for sponsored content. Motorcycle brands pay even more because these videos are basically commercials that people actually want to watch. Talk about having your cake and eating it too. Create a simple media kit with your views and engagement rates. Hit up GoPro or motorcycle gear brands. One sponsored post can pay your rent for 3 months. Beats flipping burgers, right? Of course, those big sponsorship deals don't happen overnight. You'll need consistent viral content, solid engagement rates, and yeah, a bit of luck with the algorithm gods. Most creators spend months building their audience before brands start throwing money around. But hey, every viral creator started with 0 followers and 1 video, and they stuck with it. Look, I've just handed you a gold mine on a silver platter. Everything you need is right here. The tools, the techniques, the monetization strategies. Some people will watch this and do nothing. Others will create their first viral video tomorrow. Which one are you gonna be? Want to try these amazing AI yourself? All links and resources are awaiting you in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.